Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Netspend. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To sign up for a Netspend account, open up a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box and type in www.netspend.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself at the official website of Netspend, which looks like this. Netspend is a company with prepaid cards and it offers an alternative to checking account, debit cards, credit cards, and cash. You'll need to provide the company with your names and address, and the company mails personalized cards that you can activate and load with cash. Once you end up in the screen, you'll be able to see the sign up box on the right hand side of the screen. Type in your first name you'd like to register with and then your last name on the next. Enter a valid email address where it says email address and click the continue button. Now enter further information that has been asked in the display on the next page. Enter your street address, your zip code on the next. And now, on the right hand side, go ahead and select one of the payments you'd like to receive with direct deposits. Once you make your selection, scroll down and choose a card for yourself. Once you select a card type, click on Get My Card, follow the on-screen prompts till the end, and you'll be able to sign up for a new account on Netspend. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.